Hello guys, Carson here, and today I'm gonna show you the Hot Wheels. Ta-da! It's Hot Wheels Gotta Go from Hot Wheels Let's Race. So this is Max Gotta Go. So this animation. So let's unbox it. So let's go. Okay. Just get up. Wait, no. Oh, wait a minute. No, open it. Down below. Hey. Ayan. Here it is. Here's the Gotta Go. The gimmick is a toilet lift. So you want to see it? Here it is. So this Gotta Go Hot Wheels animation, and it's a Hot Wheels power is it's a fart force. First, it make it gas smell. So this car is look like a toilet. It's open like this. Is it funny? Yeah, yeah. So, so, uh, so I'll be able to continue this Hot Wheels track. Uh, so I need to continue this on the Hot Wheels track. And you guys, you better find this Hot Wheels SM or Andaya or Mr. DIY like that. So maybe anything in the Hot Wheels store. You must find it. It will be a treasure hunt. It's super rare for now. So I'll be to continue this on part 2, okay? So thanks for watching guys. Bye. I'll see you in the future.